MTN Swaziland launched a product of data bundles some time back. The company says it will do everything possible to maintain the standard of the African region. The manager of the Consumer and Stakeholder Management, Sam Shongwe, says it is the company's main objective to educate the media before anything is taken to the public.
Whatever products we offer in the market, we want to make sure that our customers are educated. And who better to partner with than the media, who actually have a reach with all the customers in Swaziland. So today we're actually having a workshop here with the media where we're saying we want to actually launch a price reduction in our data bundles by the 21st of November. We will be embarking on customer education across Swaziland and across all the media, which is your print, your TV, your radio, and more importantly, your social media. So what we wanted to do today is to first touch the people who are actually in the business of reaching out to the media so that we have an understanding and they fully understand what we're trying to do. We've actually been trying to do, you will notice that from, I think from May, we have been reducing our prices in terms of data. We reduced by about 56% when we introduced the WOW bundles that were first introduced in August, and another 26% in the ones that we intend to launch on the 21st of November, which will actually effectively give us an average in terms of data prices decrease of about 41%. So we're actually looking forward to introducing this to our customers. Reason being that we want to give our customers value for money, and we want to make sure that, as our slogan says, make our customers' lives a whole lot brighter.
The new product is expected to start working mid this month. Polile Maziamba Dube reporting for Swazi TV News, Azulwini.